Hi, today we're going to talk about the Intoval M5 3-in-1 portable charger for Apple products. And this one's specifically meant for magnetic charging. It has a place for 3 different devices, including your phone, your watch, and also for your AirPods. It comes with everything you need inside the box, including the charger, the cable, which is USB-C, as well as the device itself. As you notice here, it's all folded, so it's very portable, which is really cool if you want to travel with it. And once you take it out, it unfolds and gives you 3 different areas to place devices, like your phone on the front, your watch on the side piece, and that actually can be turned straight up as well if you'd like. And then also on the back side of it, you can place your AirPods. After using this personally for about a week, I have it next to my nightstand, or actually on my nightstand, and it does a great job. It charges really quick, it doesn't get hot, and it does a great job overall. So I highly recommend taking a look at the 3-in-1 magnetic charger station from Intoval.